Hey everybody, welcome back. This is John Degges with Phillips Foods, and today we're making a killer grilled cheese with our pimento crab dip and smashed avocado. And here we have 6 simple ingredients. We have some provolone cheese, sharp cheddar, smashed avocado, butter, basic white bread or any bread you want to use, and the star of the show, the Phillips Crab Pimento Cheese Dip. Comes in a 2-pound bag. First we'll start off with our 2 slices of bread, and then we're going to take our smashed avocado, place it down on the bread, give it a nice little smear. Let's do both sides. Alright. Then we're going to start off with our cheddar cheese on one side of the bread, 2 slices. Then we're going to use our provolone on the opposite side, 2 slices. And then in the middle, on both sides, we're going to drop some pimento crab dip. First thing we're going to do, we're going to start off with a heated skillet at 325 degrees. And then we're just going to add some butter and let it melt. And once your butter is melted, as you can see, then we'll start adding the 2 halves of our sandwich. And we're just going to allow these to cook 4 minutes or so till the cheese starts to melt, it starts to get golden brown, and then we'll flip it together to form our sandwich. Right? One thing you can do, a nice little trick, is if you're in a hurry, just place a small cover, some cover that you would have that is metal, that'll help control the heat inside and help melt the cheese. Once you have your 2 sides, cheese is starting to melt, check your underneath, make sure it's nice and golden brown, and then you can combine your 2 pieces of bread. And just really take it, give it a little flip, smash it down together, and there you go. The pimento crab smashed avocado grilled cheese.